Here we go. In less than 3 minutes, I will show you how to create consistent characters for your AI movie project using 2 new AI tools. So let's get started. Part 1. Create AI character. In this video, we will use Piclumen AI to create our movie character. Go to the PAN website. The link is in this video's description. Click the Generate for Free button. First, select the AI model from the list. In this example, I chose Piclumen Realistic version 2. Continue by selecting the aspect ratio and the number of images to generate in the prompt bar. Click the image button and upload your character reference. After that, describe the movie characters. Details in the prompt bar, click on the image reference and select the character ref option. You can adjust its strength if needed. Click the settings button to open the settings menu where you can input a negative prompt, CFG scale steps, and seed value. Click the generate button to start generating your AI image. You can upscale and expand the image if needed. If you're satisfied with the result, click the download button to save your AI image to your local computer. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can use CapCut's Dream AI to learn how to create a consistent character with Drina. We will use Vid Full AI. Go to the Vid Full official website. The link is in this video's description. Click the Generate Video for Free button. From the Vid Full dashboard, select the From Image option. Upload your AI character from part 1. Describe the video motion in the prompt bar. Click the Generate button to start generating your AI video. If you're satisfied with the result, click the Options button and select Download to save the video to your local computer. If you want to learn more about AI videography, visit my channel and check out these videos. Part 3. Upscale. Now let's upscale our AI video using a free tool. Go to the Video to Convert website. The link is in this video's description. Click the Browser button and select your AI video. Choose the output resolution from the list. Click the Upload button to continue and start the upscaling process. Let me know in comments section if you want more AI filmmaking tutorials like this video, and subscribe our channel Digital AI Dollars for more amazing videos. And if you want to know how people are making sticky animation videos and making money, click here or watch the complete playlist of useful videos. See you in the next video and bye bye.